Okay, let's get right into it. We've all been there, staring at our phone, just praying the battery holds on for a few more minutes.
You know that feeling, right? You see that little red sliver of battery and the panic starts to creep in, especially when you're miles away from a charger and you really need your phone to last.
What if I told you that in the next 60 seconds, you can learn 3 super simple tricks that will literally add hours of life to your phone's battery?
Yep, no messing around with complicated settings. We're talking about fast, easy fixes you can do right now. So let's jump in with our very first quick win.
First up, we're going after public enemy number 1 for your battery, that bright, beautiful screen. Seriously, both Apple and Android will tell you it is the single biggest power hog on your phone. But the good news, it's also the easiest one to fix.
So why does your screen drink so much juice? Well, it's really a 1-2 punch. How bright it is, and maybe even more importantly, how long it stays on when you're not even touching it. We're gonna fix both.
Okay, so here's exactly what you do. First, just swipe down from the top of your screen. See that brightness slider? Just drag it down. Done. Easy. Next, dig into your display settings and find auto brightness on an iPhone or adaptive brightness on Android. Turn it on. Your phone will do the work for you, saving battery without you even thinking about it. And finally, and this one is a real game changer, find screen timeout and set it to 30 seconds. No more wasted battery.
All right, screen is handled. Our second quick win is all about hunting down the secret battery vampires. I'm talking about those apps that run in the background, just sipping away at your power even when you think they're closed.
And hey, don't just take my word for it. This comes straight from Apple's own support page. They confirm that apps are constantly working behind the scenes, refreshing data, checking for updates, and yeah, draining your battery.
So here's how you take back control. If you have an iPhone, go to Settings, find Background App Refresh, and just start toggling off anything you don't need updating 24/7. For you Android users, go into your battery settings and look for Background Usage Limits. Now you can put apps to sleep, which is great, but here's a real power move. Put those non-essential apps into deep sleep. That completely blocks them from ever running in the background.
Okay, our third and final quick win. This is your emergency button. This is the one-tap fix for when you're at 20% and you absolutely, positively have to make it last. It's called low power mode on iPhone and power saving mode on Android.
So what's the catch? Well, it's pretty smart actually. It automatically reduces performance a little bit, it stops all that background activity we just talked about, and it turns off some of the flashy visual effects. It even stops your email from constantly checking for new messages. Basically, it cuts out all the non-essentials to keep you up and running for longer.
And you know the best part? It is literally one tap away. Just swipe down from the top of your screen to open your control center or quick settings and tap that little battery icon. Boom! Done. Your phone instantly goes into survival mode and you just bought yourself a ton of extra time.
And there you have it. 3 huge battery wins in just a couple of minutes. And these aren't just tiny little tweaks. These are probably the 3 most effective changes you can make to get more life out of your phone, like right now.
So let's recap it one more time so it sticks. Number 1, dim that screen and shorten the timeout. Number 2, shut down those background apps. And number 3, when you're in a real jam, hit that power saving mode. That's your new battery saving mantra.
So don't just watch this, do it. Go into your settings as soon as this is over and make these changes. And you know what? Share this with that one friend or family member whose phone is always dying. And make sure you follow for more quick tips just like this one. Talk to you next time.